Alright, this is just a quick video. I had a terrible screeching coming from the furnace air handler, and wasn't sure if it was the motor or if it was the squirrel cage. Let me see if I can turn on. In between, I don't have any light. You see the two center plates right there. The sound was the center plate spinning freely, grinding into the fins. It wasn't staying, the pinch in the center plate wasn't wide enough to hold it steady on the fins. So we just went in with a screwdriver flathead and turned it, twisted each one to kind of widen that pinch. One by one we went down, and then when we turn it on, let's see if it turns on here. Nice and quiet. Not spinning on that center plate. I just sucked in a piece of paper. So that's it. You might not even have to take the squirrel cage off. You might not need a new motor. You might just widen that center plate, that pinch in between the center plate there. Alright, I hope this helps.